We're actually at exclusive wraps again, not doing a wrap. HKS Exhaust, let's go. So Jeff here, as most of you already know, Jeff's actually a friend of mine. He's one of the owners here at Exclusive. He said, Rich, you know what? Come down, they got these little mini hoists. He said, come down, use a hoist, and we'll get that exhaust on. So let's head in there. It's Friday afternoon. Let's have some beers and get this done. This has been around for 6 months. I ordered it ages ago. It arrived quite quickly. It's been sitting around. It hasn't been opened. I hope all the parts are there. HKS dual muffler exhaust. Let's check it out. Got Jeff's tools here. Thanks, Jeff.
Welcome. Well, my workshop too.
Actually, I just told everyone we're over at Exclusive Wraps doing an exhaust. First exhaust ever.
Besides mine. Okay.
Ooh. Damn.
There's
Jeff,
exhaust.
you know what being here. Do you want to have a look for us?
Oh, all I see is pillars. Is it heavy?
Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
This exhaust is cheap. Does that feel expensive?
It feels heavy.
Heavier it is, the more expensive it is, isn't it? Exhaust Elite.
Exhaust elite.
Joel said, let's turn it on.
Yeah, switch it on.
Turn it on. So guys, on here, Joel, I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a little groove here. There's a little groove down here as well. We just got to line these grooves up together. So boom, these two need to match. Teamwork makes the dream work, guys. And by teamwork, Jeff does everything. Yeah, I know, Jeff's like, shut up. Ow! Ow! Doing bikes. Damn it. Went mountain biking, Gap Creek, was going down Wallaby Way. Wanted to do a little jump. Did the jump, and then didn't land the jump. So I ended up going head over heels. It's like everywhere, man. Actually goes right up my leg and stuff. exhaust is done. Let's get out of here.
Switch her on.
My name Jeff.
Is it in yet?
Guys, this thing's got nothing holding it up, so this side of the exhaust, we're just going to zip tie it to the top.
That's what you get firing this from Gumtree.
If you guys can remind us to take it off so we don't have a zip tie glued to the exhaust. All right, so what do we do now? We're going to have to just
Start it.
Guys, little tip, we want to pick that exhaust up on an angle so we can pull those clamps over both of them and then lift up, line those bolts up. You will need two people. There's no way you can do that with one person. That was way too hard. We just stuck. Plug this bad boy in. Oh my God.
Now can we start it?
Joel, can we start it? No. Nah, we're just gonna go home. Guys, it looks pretty good. Get it nice and spaced evenly before all those bolts are tightening. So what we're doing right now is these lock nuts. So these lock nuts are actually from eBay. They're from the UK. It was pretty hard to find these. There was pretty much nothing in Australia that I could find online. So I'll link you guys to these and show you where we got them from. You don't want anyone stealing your really nice expensive rims. So just put one of these on each rim.
No.
HKS dual muffler exhaust done on, looks awesome. It was actually pretty easy to install. How long did it take, you reckon?
About an hour, hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty straightforward really, guys. Hopefully you guys have got a good idea of what to do with everything we've shown. We're no professionals or anything like that. We're just dudes that try our best and fail a lot, but we still try, right? Also, guys, the tripod died. I want to just give a shout out to Joel behind you. He's the cameraman at the moment, so thank you, Joel. He's been here, he's been helping us a lot. So the crew, Joel, Jeff, thank you guys, and Exclusive for letting me come in here and steal their hoist. But overall, guys, HKS was super awesome. Really love it. Hopefully the exhaust sounds come through. It was in person, sweet. We all loved it, eh? Like it, Jeff?
It's beautiful. I might consider it for the Civic Type R.
Jeff has a Civic Type R. I think it's, you can see the butt. Oh no, it's right there. It looks pretty sweet. Look, there's another Type R actually right there. Now that's old school, man. So that's cool. All right, guys. Thanks for coming on. We will talk to you soon in the next video. It's actually a pretty significant difference now. Barbecue time. What do you got there, Mr. Joel?
Couple of steaks.
Tomahawks?
Yep.
Oh, yum.